Hello guys, welcome on my YouTube channel DM Tech. Guys, on this particular video, we will learn how we can create the shortcut of YouTube on the desktop of the laptop or PCs. So basically, without wasting time, we have to learn how we can create the shortcut of the YouTube on the desktop. So first, you have to click on Google Chrome application. Google Chrome applications. Click after that. You have to search bars. On the search window, you have to click again the YouTube's click. After YouTube, you have to see the YouTube search page. You have to again click on that page. After YouTube options open, you have to some more options on the right side, upper side of the corner. On the right side, there is a three dot bars. You have to click on that bars. That three dot bars, you have to further more options of the more tools. So you have to click on that more tools. There is further options of the create shortcut. So you have to click on that particular options, create shortcuts. After click, we have two options to create a YouTube shortcut on the open on the Windows. So basically we have to click on that and we have to create a shortcut on the desktop of the PC or of the laptop. So your YouTube shortcut have been created. Now you have to exit from this page and you have to check on the desktop or laptop of the PC or laptop desktop. You have to see that the icons of the YouTube have been created successfully. So we can search anything from the shortcut. So guys, I hope you enjoy this video and you have learned something from this video. Thank you.